All right, got some time. Please first read the risk disclosure disclaimer. Very dangerous to trade any financial markets, so be careful out there. You can lose some of all of your money. So be very careful out there, please. Very, very dangerous. Okay, just a moment. Okay. Yes. Little technical difficulties. Last time I was here, like a few weeks ago, I had a bunch of technical difficulties, so I was on and off, and so, but I think today should be everything okay. I just want to go quickly over settings over here, and which I have here 2 minutes. It's an NQ. We have the Quant007 channel, these orange lines. It's a right chart, and then this line is linear regression 99, just regular, which you get on these indicators, and this one is hold EMA, and the settings are 72, 72. You can make some offset if you like, but I didn't do it here. And then this here, it's a stochastic K line. That's only I use that one. So you can see here K. The whole idea, what I see lately, it's I don't know if I haven't heard this before, but once K line is above the price goes up. Once K line goes below, the price goes down. So we can take a look here. The price was above, the K line was above, and price went up. Once it went down, it's just looking for our short trades. Once it goes above again, just looking for long trades. This was mixed over here, but still, and then we got all the shorts here. That was this morning. And I have here MACD just for confirmation. Nothing much. With this line is on about -4, which I lately see anything above -4, it's long, and anything under, it's short. Okay, on the left chart we have the Quant007 channel. This one is made of comma. Okay, so we got upper one and the bottom one, it's the same, 320.90. Displacement to 1, which I did, and then I did high and low. This one would be high and this one would be low. But again, you can do with the quant indicators, the Quant007 indicators, you can go up, you know, certain amount ticks, and below you can move this channel. Also we have linear regression, which is a 92, same like here, and also 72 at the whole EMA. So the whole idea is if the linear regression is above hold, it's long. If it's below, it's short. Same over here. If it's below, we're looking only for shorts. If it is above, we're looking only for longs. Sometime it will bring, the price is gonna bring it up, pull it down, bring a linear regression down, but still above hold, and then goes up. So that's why having this stochastic K line and trying to adjust everything, you know, and so that everything is order. Then look for those trades. Like once came here, this was a perfect place to get in confirmation for the long, knowing that usually they go to upper price of the channel. Sorry about it, it's like they know. So there's it would be here, just say 11 to 70, and then usually they go here, it's 1335, so 60 points, 65, which wouldn't be a bad trade. MACD did not confirm over here. Oh, actually did with not yet. It would be with this one, but there's a nice trade over here, risky trade without confirmation on MACD. So I just have it here, not depending on that, but just getting some idea where's that trend, and then trying to get everything in order. So this would be nice. Over here, right here, this all was risky, though we had a K under, but there was some bouncing, and we can see here bouncing from upper line until somewhere here there was a nice breaking this bottom. We have under the channel, we have K line down, though linear regression was above, but price was leading down, so there would be nice trade which worked out, which was about 86. And if we go with the stop somewhere here, that's a little bit bigger stop, but maybe the top of this red one, 22 points. Or just on top of this red one. But there was a nice nice trade. Also here, it was about this one. K was above. Linear regression was above hold. And going up could at least to the upper channel line. The price was continuing all the way up there, and the K line was staying above the price. Same was here. K was somewhere here, so there would be nice trade here. Was a profit, and then let's take a look here. I'll be risky, maybe some better setup. There's nothing but the green. Nothing but the green. Here's a nice trade. Try it on this trade, and worked out. same over here, same here, and so on. So right now this is, we could call this pullback here. K is above. We have linear regression under the hold. Over here we have linear regression above hold. So maybe for some scalp. If it takes it down, then would be stop, which would be here. So we need some better setup. MACD is above. So actually I'm just looking for that some nice setup for long. This could be just a pullback, though I know we have bouncing from upper line from the Quant007 channel, but we have this K, and K is usually right, and K is above, so looking for some nice setup. MACD is trying to get above this -4. If that happens, I usually got to look for some good up trade, long. So while that's happening, I'll show you here, which I did a few months ago, a simple program for oil trading, scalps, or you know, whatever kind of tradings you have. We got here the Quant007 price action channel. Outside size 19, inside size 0, vertical shift is 0.202. Bottom one, same, just a -0.202. If you guys find any simpler and easier trading system for oil, let me know, please, in your comments. Okay, the whole idea is this green line needs to get above this bottom red line. We want a price to get above linear regression, want a pullback, and then first green going long. Okay, so this will be far away from here. This one would be better, but more important is to look for the stop, which if I would go here long, the stop actually should be here. That's a real stop, so that for a lot of people that's a big stop, but actually should be there. So this would be better entry. Stop is still there. A little bit few ticks better, or buying it somewhere in this area before it even turns around. But stop is still here, which worked out. Okay, here's good one. Only thing, it's green wasn't built under the red. This green needs to get under the red, so this is first opportunity. However, the stop needs to be here. So you never know, they can turn around and just get above this one and push everything long. In this case, worked out perfectly, went down. Here's perfect. Green went above red, but the price is under linear regression. Did twice. The green line, as long as it stays above red one, bottom red, we are still long. So even if we went with this one in, because it was above the price, this one was above the linear regression already. This one is more than half a bar above. The stop is here, one tick under. No more. Got to recognize the right stops. That's important over here. Okay, right here you can see went under. The green still was above. If you went with this one, everything was in sync. The stop would be no more than here, though I know we would be under, but still I wouldn't have a bigger stop than this, which worked out. Okay, here's went above, never developed green while green bar while this green was above the red. This was under, nothing, nothing, nothing. And we went over this one. So if we went over here, the stop was here. Okay, let's take a look over here. Here's typical. Or the price goes under the linear regression. Is a nice setup. We got the price went above, green went above. Nice setup. Needs to break this out. Nothing happened. Stop was here, but once we saw this big bar under, that would be out. And then this would be next trade down here. Let's go take a look next one. Here would be first one. Everything is in sync. Great trade. Here's the next one. This one here would be, a stop is here. It went out, it would have went to in our favor, but then turned around. Here, went against us, stop was here. Here's when few ticks our favor. So actually the best way is to look when first time crosses above, because this was many times in and out, in and out. I mean up and down. So this would be first time went because it was for a while above linear regression, and this would be nice entry and stop here. So that's where we're gonna look. Here's again with the stop here, we're gonna tick above. Worked in our favor. Price turned against when brought a green line above the red line, but we are under the linear regression. So this was not for long, nothing here, everything for short, and nice trade over here. Nothing, no trade here until here, but stop is here. This would be first entry. Stop up here, our favor. Sometimes we'll get like this, the green is not above red yet, but we have this green bar, a nice little pullback, another green bar, breaking highs, and just going up there, but anyhow here we'll take this one, stop right here and go nice trade, and so on. So if you guys know any easier and simpler trading system for oil, let me know. I have for gold too, but we'll go another time. And while we were going over oil setups, here's okay, was right again, long. We got pulled back down, but then market just turned around and it's going long. So as long as K stays above the price, we are good. If it's under, it's short. Okay, so just watching for the long ones. Price can come all the way to linear regression here. Good price, and there is a nice support here. Bottom of the channel already broke above. There's resistance on the hold. Okay guys, if you have any questions, ask me. I'm gonna be flying pretty quick. Right now it's like 11:43 my time, Central Standard Time. Markets are looking to break this hold, go long if they can. Sometimes it's going to be this linear regression under hold, which means down, but it's going to be pointing up, and it's going to act as a support. Alright, MACD is above -4. That tells me market wants to go long. K is above price. Price is now mostly above the Quant007 channel. And this channel here is made from EMA 39. So this one is from Gamma and this one is from EMA. And Gamma channel likes to bring this those same settings. See, upper one I made like it's a 3.99. I made out of dashes and bar one is just a full line. Though it's the same setting, the channel size changes, and sometimes upper line, this dash, goes under the bottom line, which usually means somewhere there is a bottom. And that was the bottom here. You can see upper one went under, then back here. The price was up and down, but then went up. Usually, not always, but usually, or they're gonna come so close. So saying the trend of there's somewhere there's the end of the trend. Let's see if we can find more. There's a close again. See when they get tighter, there's a pullback. There's a pullback, market went down and then went up. But usually, unless there is such a big trend, usually means some pullback there, right here too. Look at how long it stayed above, and then continue down. There was a little pullback until did all of that stuff, a bigger pullback. That's what usually means. There's a pullback. Same for upper. That's the upper one. This dash went under, and there was a pullback, and then continuing up there. Same here. Strong trend down, but it was under. And you can see there was some little pullback about 50-60 ticks, and then continue down and so on. But usually it usually means market's out of whack, something's gonna happen. Every time that it does that. Here's just a little one push down. This big strong trend. And then you may continue more. That was a little bit an hour ago or so. So got to watch on those two. And so on. What's market doing? Here's again. Oh, right there. Was the wrong spot. So in neutral zone. Channel is in neutral zone. We got regression above hold. Evidence pointing to up. So we'll just play some up. I'll just put stop there. Let me sell, not stop, profit. See if you can get some or anything, few ticks. And stuff would be here. Or whatever is your trading style. Thing I don't like here, this regression is under, but K is still above. It may take me out. If it does. Alright, took us out. Oh, that was a big jump down. And now we have a linear regression under. Hold. However, we're only looking for long trades. We'd like to get confirmation here. And these are unit ankles set on 7. This could be a nice trade. Stop, I'll just put stop here. Let's see, do we have any luck here? Or we're not gonna have any luck? No. Not again. Comma is still under hold. Alright, now if this one closes up, it's gonna be above. Then I would like to see some pullback. Maybe third is a charm. There's wow, that was a nice big jump. I wasn't in a trade, of course, but as you can see here, we went above. There was a break with this high. Okay, it's like 35 ticks. This green is 40 ticks. There's still chance if it pulls back maybe to here, going by, and we have a stop over here, which is a buy market. Usually they don't break here on first time. There should be another pullback. They go on second, third or fourth try. They'll break if they're gonna go up. But usually doesn't mean they will do it now. There they go. There was a support here this time on the channel, and we had linear regression above hold. K is above. MACD went just above -4, -3.8, something like that. I put this blue line here. Only thing it's here is linear regression. It's under hold on this minute chart, but for now it's acting as a support. Let's go try with this one. We have stop here. No. All three went against us. So the stop was wrong. Should have been here or here. That's a nice pullback here. And we'll go only to here. Now that we are there, we can move our stop ahead at least something. And go only to the, if we can get that one. No, well, we still made some money. Of course, now it's gonna go and hit at the target. Even higher. Alright, next target could be 69. There's that nice support, nice white channel here. Okay, let's see what's gonna do here. Goes under. So there's a weakness in uptrend. Alright, and you are only like a few seconds behind, 4 or 5 seconds, I'm not sure, let me see. Yeah, like a 4 or 5 seconds. Last time, but I was on Streamlabs and it was giving me problems, and then Wi-Fi wouldn't work and all kinds of stuff. But I bought vMix, so I'm doing this with vMix. It's pretty good. Usually it's about 4 seconds, 5 seconds a delay. You can see how a 2-minute chart hold, it's acting as a resistance. They can just be choppy over here until they break this one, maybe. So maybe wait for a couple ticks above, 3 ticks above this last green or above this red one. Try to go get long. Okay, still above. It acts as a magnet. So I got to be careful, you know, this could be as a retracement, and then just start going lower and lower, and then K is gonna go under. So you never know, always got to be very careful with trading, especially Nasdaq. It's just, I mean, any instrument, but Nasdaq is just absolutely crazy. Goes up and down like a nut. And there was that where it crossed integration and the hold here, and it went down. Okay, went down. Where I just was saying it was I believe that one was weakness in the uptrend. So now we're in the downtrend. is continuing down. Nasdaq is jumping like crazy. European these are set at 7. Don't want to go lower. Alright, this was what I was saying. Watch out. Could be just a pullback or retracement here on the downhill. And here's a K went under the price. So markets are now down. So we'll see where this bar closes. It just started. So I have set this on price change. So last one was here still, but now because on price change it's alive, showing it's all the way here. So we'll see when this bar closes where it's gonna be. But there was no good setup for long anyhow. We're saying either above this area or either above this green. And on the left side, we got a linear, it's under the hold. It's trying to get above. Getting closer and closer. So this was a nice trend here, as you can see. Now we have some retracement to the top of the channel, and the market K was under. Even then the MACD was under, but still wasn't under the minus 3.8, but market went down, and all this time K was under. Until somewhere here there was a breakout. So that's why I keep all of it to the right. Okay, now we're starting with new bar. K is under the price. This could be just a retracement now, and then come down. But we have over here now linear regression above hold, but we are in the red zone. So got to be careful. This is iffy trade. Maybe buy it now and stop a tick or two under here, and there will be out. So that's why we're in the red zone. Very dangerous. K is under. So from this bar everything is down. Plus we got a red, green, red. And then here's linear regression, could act as a support now here, so got to be careful. Taking profits if we are in a trade, you never know. Look at here, linear regression is above hold. Look at what happened here. This dash line, it's under, which is upper line, but it's under bottom one. So something's going on. At the same time, it hit linear regression. So there was a lot of support here. Still above, hold. Okay, don't forget about this little trading for oil system. If you know and it's simpler or easier, let me know, please. So there was this one was green for under, for scalping. This nice little head, there's a pullback there exactly, and pushing back again, pushing down. We're still down. Under this one, breaking this low under the here. Green is under the red. So we could have picked up a few ticks. There was another entry. Stop is right here. Stop would be right here. This one and this one, stop is right here. And here's a Q is going up. For now, linear regression acting as a support. However, watch where K is. It's under the price. So if anybody wants to go long, K needs to be above. For now, it's just looking for a short setup. A lot of times we get this setup between linear regression and hold. Markets get choppy. And there's a resistance on upper line, 28. And there's a hold. Let's see over here. It's a big opening. Goes up and down. Opening two. Between these two, gets choppy, gets sideways. We'll never get that big opening. Or gets far away from both, and so on. Let's see if we can get something here. We're just gonna continue up. There's a resistance over here. Just a crazy trade, and you can see went against. There's that resistance here. Only one green. Look at that move. And there's that proof. K is under. There's the proof there. Went long, went against. So perfect timing. Got to be careful with that K. Okay, here's oil. Again, resistance at linear regression. Even if one would go on the trade here, stop is right here, tick above. So it would be a couple or 3 ticks above, in lows right now, but we'll see what's gonna happen. Here's again here, up and went under. K still under. MACD is hitting that, it's even a little bit under the 3.84 minus 4. So this could be just a retracement and then going down. Especially if this one ends up being green and then we get a red bar and just plunge down. And the oil, yeah, even if we went down here, we would be here tick or two. Oh, here is 2-3 ticks in profit. All right. Green went above red on the bottom, but we are under the linear regression. Never was set up for long. Meaning green needs to get above, we need to get pullback and go. There was this pullback here and then created first trade. Those are great trades. Never went under that we had a pullback, which would be here, first one, but these are, when they work out, they were great. And then profits, either few ticks or on these flats, which hit this flat, or the hills or valleys of green. So which would be here, next one is here, and so on. Not set up for long, but we have this one under linear regression under the hold, and we have K under. It looks like this bar is going to be green, and then it's going to finish another 10 seconds. Well, it looks try not to. There's nice setup for short. Okay, is under, we got red, green, red. Wow, wow, that was a big jump. You're talking about 4 ticks. That's 10 points. So if this can help you, that would be great. My mission accomplished. So you can see here, according to this smaller chart, linear regression was above right here, and there's that pullback. A lot of times it's going to do it, but not always. And that's some big retracement. And plus we have that big separation between linear regression and hold, and that's why we get those sideways market choppy. Up, down, you don't know where it's going to go. Plus it's 12th phony. And you can see oil. Oil lost a lot overnight, last night. And there was that, it's a nice trade, or even here. There's that hill again. Hit it. So next, it's right here. That flat, well, a few ticks down here, so it's going that way, it looks like. Wow, already 1 hour over here. Can we make a one go trade for a nice weekend? If you get this one up, next one could be K could come above and market could go up. Just have to change your directions. above. And there's a choppiness between these two, they're wide. So now we could get pullback and then go up. Everything set up here. That's a nice setup for a long. I'll go under this one here, under this, and then if they explode, they could go a little bit higher. Which will be right there to hold EMA. If they decide to go long, which is nice setup. Everything's in sync, almost everything. And then MACD is trying to get above that this line, still under, trying to get above. Okay, if this green can go, just get above, close it, it's gonna break all these highs. Yeah, now they can go just high. Yeah, just go, 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 hit the target. Well, since we are so high, we can take our and go under here. So even most of the things are in sync. Wow, it was great. That was a big turnaround. And there is, of course, I'm not in a trade. They reached the target. But guys, hopefully this helps you. Any questions, shoot it. I'm gonna go this time. I said that a half hour ago I had to go. Now it's like what, 12:24, almost 25. Friday afternoon, choppy markets, but trying to go long. Oil, let's say before I go, look at what happened to oil. Came to this one here in a tick, hit this top, and to this one, look at it, just turn around. But it was a nice trade. So either here, here, it was a nice trade. Now we're looking for setup for long. Could I go above this one? Long. So we got a green above red and almost full bar is above linear regression. Could, but a little bit riskier. The stop should be a tick or two under here. If I want to do that, I would rather for the price to pull back to the line and then just buy it, and then have maybe 3-4 ticks stop under this linear regression, because this is what I know to do. This linear regression still pointing down. You can come down, price can come down with the linear regression, stay above, and then shoot up. So I would rather buy somewhere here than on this one, just because my stop is then less, and then I will just wait for that, like this bar, this size bar, if it closes under, that would be my stop, maybe somewhere here instead of here. If I go above here, I got to stop here, allow for that play, and you never know if they're gonna just turn, because market is in downtrend. This could be just a fake, so you don't know. So there's no still setup, a real setup for long. But but very simple trading system, and a lot of times it works most of the times. Alright, there's a nice setup for a run long. We got a green red, like this, green red, green, maybe just if, but watch here, linear regression underhold, so Santian is going in that power play, but we got still this K above, and there's, see that one, this wasn't that good setup. Look at that pullback, could be somewhere just to here, to that bottom line of the Quant007 channel, and then bounce go up, or they may just go here. It's Friday afternoon between these two lines, but for now we are long. That's what K says. And look at here, MACD. It's even with this line, trying to get above. Let's just have fun a little bit. Look at that move. Get ready. Get at least under this bar, if nothing else. We got profitable trade. Hey, we got again. Alright, we got few ticks. So hit that linear regression. Still for long, there's that one trying to break. Let's go see. Oh, turning around. Right on the top and out. There's that choppiness. I'm having a feeling they're gonna explode. There they go. There they go. Looks like they like my stuff. There's that one sideways over here. You can see we're in a green zone, but having this linear regression under. I don't like it. See, coming down. And there was that one hitting the resistance on hold and going down. And look at what the oil is doing. I was just talking earlier. Why would I buy it somewhere, wait, and then buy it here? Exactly, it's happening. They like to do that, pull back down to the line and then bounce and go long there still above. So if I would even buy now, my stop would be somewhere, rather buy on the line and then somewhere here. Just a few ticks. I'll leave it here. And you can see here how linear regression acted as a resistance, but they went on top of halt EMA. So that could be some signal for long. Like right now, I know oil is slow, I'm not gonna make a trade. Right now, buy it. You know, I have like maybe 4 or 5 ticks. Stop. And if it goes against me, goes. If I'm looking for long, but market is downtrend and it's Friday afternoon, I don't know how many people really wanna be in long. And oil lost a bunch of value overnight. Alright, this is just a pullback. This could be a fake here on Nasdaq. If this one closes down, then it's down. Actually, it's from according to this line, but it was above from this bar, but we were above, so that's why I didn't like it. Not yet setup for nice setup for long or short. That's why I didn't like here. I'd rather buy it here, and then if it goes against me, goes. But looking at this here, and you can see now that's going to be short, especially if this one closes down. You got the pull, but this is now set up for short. If this one turns around, if it goes up, then it's going to be again long. Getting ready for long, but if this one comes down, closes trade, it's for shorting. That would be nice first. Nice trade. Everything's in sync. Alright, look at this. Look at Nasdaq turning around. I got the integration about hold. There was that again. Let's just make a trade here. there's hit us. Good, that was like 27 ticks, I think. Okay, you can see how choppy is here. Now it's long. The green line is not above, but the price is above. That's what I was saying earlier. They like to do that, especially when we have a straight up, straight down. Usually means change of direction. Let's try one more. I'll put this here. This is that upper line of the channel. Alright, we have here, now we have a positive trade. Can it go up more? No. Looks like it wants to turn around, or it's gonna go up. Which way? Which way? Which way? Go up. One. Come on, make that move. Give us good weekend. Give us good weekend. Go up. Well, still. Now it's gonna turn around. There's. I was right. At least I was right. Okay. Oh, wow, that's a big move. What happened? Got now under. There's that choppiness just between these two. Just for fun. Wow. Just going between those two. Yeah, at least we have a positive trade. Oops, got it there. Okay, well, guys, have a great weekend. It's October 2nd. And I'll talk to you some another time. Take care.